If you're a dentist that takes a do-it-yourself approach to practice growth, my hat's off to you. I think you're making a mistake, but still, mad respect. Here's why you're almost certainly not getting everything from your do-it-yourself marketing that you could be. And it's from my book, Dammit, Colin, I'm a dentist, not a marketer. The deadly dental marketing mistakes that cost you time and money. Now, mastery of one discipline doesn't necessarily translate into mastery of another. We see this day in and day out. Being a dentist doesn't qualify you to be a brain surgeon, and that's pretty obvious, right? And that's no more than being a dentist qualifies you to be an expert at every other aspect of your practice, or specifically, marketing your practice. The knowledge and the skills are simply different. And in case you think that's an oversimplification, consider this. Anybody with a strong stomach can open the chest cavity with a scalpel. In the same way, any dentist with a little knowledge can place a paid media online buy with Google or with Facebook. It may not be the best buy, it may not even be a good buy, but they've bought. The real success of any advertising or marketing system is the combination of placement and content. Are you a skilled copywriter too? If not, your results are likely to be less than stellar. That's particularly true given, as a busy dentist, you don't have a lot of free time to devote to creating all the promotion for your practice. Stealing time from your family, from your friends, from your life to handle all the other hats you have to wear in your practice is a really unsatisfactory solution all the way around. Now, I could go on, but I think you get the idea. Even a skilled amateur wins once in a while. Professionals win most of the time. To learn more about choosing the right marketing company for your practice, follow the link in the description below to get a copy of my latest book, Dammit, Colin, I'm a dentist, not a marketer. The deadly dental marketing mistakes that cost you time and money.